Assalamu alaikum. Today we have Saudi kabsa. In the hot pot, we put oil. We put onion. And these are the spices. Cumin, licorice, karaway, lime, cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon bark. Next, we put tomato. And then tomato paste. Mix. I have here 2 chicken cut into halves. Chicken in. Now we put hot water and boil it 15 minutes. Guys, I forgot to put the black pepper and salt. I just put it in. Guys, now we will going to remove the chicken. And we will going to drain the water. We will going to use it for rice. Okay, now we are going to drain the water. Rice in. And we will put the kabsa broth. You should be careful about putting the broth, not to make the rice soggy. And add a little ghee, butter ghee. Mix. And let it simmer until done. Okay guys, this is our Saudi kabsa. This is how we serve Saudi kabsa here in Saudi Arabia. It looks so delicious. Enjoy! You must give it a try. Mga kababayan, subukan nyo rin dyan sa atin, sa Pilipinas. At napakasarap po nito. Thank you so much and see you on our next video. Habibi, Jarabuha, lazim to Jarabuha. Assalamu alaikum.